Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making Palak Paneer. Ingredients list in description. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Add 500 grams of fresh spinach leaves. Adding 1 teaspoon of sugar or baking soda can help to maintain the green color. Boil for only 1 to 2 minutes, just until wilted. Immediately transfer the leaves to a bowl of ice-cold water for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Gently squeeze out excess water before pureeing to ensure the gravy isn't watery. Never blend hot spinach, this destroys the bright green into a dull, muddy color. Now we are good to go. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 bay leaf, 1 to 2 red whole chili, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped. Add 1 large finely chopped onion. Saute until 3 to 4 minutes till it turns golden brown. You want the onions to be soft and translucent or lightly golden, but never crunchy. Add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 to 2 green chili chopped. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. This is the sweet spot. The onions develop a caramelized depth that will balances the dish. Kasuri methi 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoons of besan. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until the besan turns aromatic and slightly darker. Besan gives a body and stability to the gravy. Gently fold in 150 grams of paneer cubes. Red chili powder ½ teaspoon. ½ teaspoon jeera powder. ½ teaspoon coriander powder. Salt to taste. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. I prefer this way. You can put paneer later after putting the spinach paste. Pour in the blanched palak puree. Turn the heat down to low-medium. Use the residual spinach water from the blender. Stir gently to combine it with the sauteed onions, spices and the besan. Once you add the palak puree to your masala base, cook it uncovered. Cook for only 3 to 5 minutes. As soon as the puree starts to bubble, it's nearly done. 1 tablespoon butter. 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. Gently fold it into the green gravy. You don't need to cook it further. A small squeeze of lime juice at the end helps your body absorb the iron from the spinach. Served hot with rice or paratha. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.